asuntoskeittiö honkaterassi.
So it's not. I don't know why it's not. I have to. Yeah, this is very nice. Also today on 18th of July 2025. And so what was yours here by the way?
Pyynikintie 41.
Yeah, Pyynikintie 41 stekes here, and is it also Pyynikintie?
Yeah.
Yeah, Pyynikintie, Tampere, Finland. Finland. Has been built in 1987, probably late 1987, finished in 1988 by Kone with Kone fixtures, but we are respecting Series 1 here.
Yeah.
Okay, still, two lights.
Yeah.
This number is 64873. I think best is 6 versus 480 grams in fast, or faster.
Yeah.
But the three others I can film later.
Yeah. Or 4 maybe.
Yeah. It was completely unknown and very difficult to get inside. Also.
Yeah.
But still very nice, what we were expecting. Series 1.
Yeah. Istuttiin pakivaisi pitää meitä nyt vaikka Kone.
Allow the sounds and the smell here.
Se.
And the residential buildings here have been finished between 1988 and 1990.
Yeah.
With, yeah, maybe 5 in total here.
Yeah.
So 4 others now.
Yeah.
But to the right one.
Yeah. This was staircase A. If there's
Yeah.
41 people, I guess so. That's
Yes. Okay.